Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use your S Pen to translate a sentence S24 Ultra. So at first take your pen, okay, and then showing it to pen icon, just click on and then showing it to translate, but some phone missing this option, just click on to add translate option. Now I'm already at, so go back, click on to translate, showing it to automatic and select language. I'm selecting English. You can easily add more language, showing it to more language. Go back. Okay, now open a text. So look here, long press, click on to translate, okay, and then showing it to translate. So that's it, that's how you can do it.